Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Universal Containers (UC) uses a Microsoft Azure SQL data warehouse to gather information about sales reps' objectives. UC wants to use CRM analytics to gain insights from this data and automatically load it into a CRM analytics dataset. Daily, the data also needs to be transformed and merged with data from the company's org. Which CRM analytics user interface features should be used to complete these requirements? Option A. CRM Analytics Connector for Excel used in conjunction with data flows, recipes. Option B. Analytics REST API used in conjunction with data flows, recipes. Option C. Microsoft Azure SQL Data Warehouse Connector used in conjunction with data flows, recipes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Microsoft Azure SQL Data Warehouse Connector used in conjunction with data flows, recipes. Question 2. The CRM analytics consultant at CloudKicks is asked to make sure the data on the CRM analytics dashboard be as real-time as possible. It was agreed to set the sync refresh time to 5 minutes for one of the local connections. The org has a CRM Analytics Plus license, but users are noticing that the earliest available time is 1 hour. The minutes option is not visible to the user. What is causing the issue? Option A. The earliest available time is 1 hour for CRM Analytics Plus license. Option B. Setting up the schedule to 5 minutes feature is not available in Sandbox orgs. Option C. The consultant does not have the Edit CRM Analytics Data Flows permission assigned. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The earliest available time is 1 hour for CRM Analytics Plus license. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.